If your MSN feed suddenly stopped working, disappeared from your homepage, or no longer shows up on new tabs, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In many cases, the problem is caused by a browser extension, a changed new tab setting is, or corrupted site data that's blocking the feed from loading properly. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the MSN feed not working error step by step, safely and quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu, then choose Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Start, Home, and New Tabs. This is where Edge controls what appears when you open a new tab or start the browser. Now go to the New Tab Page section. If you notice that the page is pointing to something unfamiliar, unusual, or an unrecognized utility, that is a red flag. In many cases, a browser extension may have hijacked your setup and changed your new tab behavior. If you see an option that looks suspicious, toggle it off, or better yet, remove the extension that's causing the change entirely. You can do this by opening the Extensions menu and disabling anything you don't trust or no longer need. After that, open a brand new tab in Edge. On the actual blank page itself, not in the browser toolbar, look for the gear or settings icon in the upper right corner of the page canvas. Click that icon to open the page layout settings. Here, you want to make sure the content or show feed option is turned on and set to visible. If the feed is hidden, disabled, or switched off, MSN won't appear the way it should. Changing this setting often brings the feed back immediately. If the feed still isn't showing, the next thing to do is clear corrupted tracker data and local storage. Over time, saved site data can become damaged or outdated, and that can prevent MSN content from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find privacy or site data options, and clear the data related to MSN or the feed page. This can refresh the connection and force Edge to load a clean version of the page. Once you've done that, close the browser completely and open it again. Then check a new tab and see if the MSN feed is back. In many cases, just resetting the new tab source, enabling the feed layout, and clearing broken local data is enough to fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, revisit your extensions one more time and remove anything that could be interfering with the page. That's the full fix for the MSN feed not working error. Hopefully this got your feedback on your homepage and new tabs again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.